Sunbubble is another exciting new innovation from Haxnix, a portable, stylish-looking plant house and garden room that is easy to use, easy to move, and easy to store. Sunbubble's patented one-piece folding design means that it can go from storage bag to fully assembled in a matter of minutes. Assembly is quick and easy. Once removed from the storage bag, the Sunbubble unfolds. The flexible fiberglass rods that come already attached to the high-quality tough PVC cover are clipped together. Once upright, the dome-shaped structure is secured by clipping in the horizontal side rods. The central safety plate is put in place and firmly fastened. And, last of all, the ground pegs go in to keep your Sunbubble firmly in place. The adjustable air vents and zip doorway give temperature and humidity control. Sunbubble warms up quicker than a traditional greenhouse, and its curved shape means that the surface stays at 90 degrees to the direction of the sun all day long. This gives minimum reflection and maximum penetration of light. Your plant's growth will be boosted, and all manner of exciting and exotic plants can be grown. Sunbubble is ideal for palms, ferns and vines, as well as more delicate fruit and vegetables such as peppers, melons or cucumbers. Haxnix Sunbubble will extend your growing season and your growing repertoire. When it's too chilly to relax outside, or when summer showers hover on the horizon, then Sunbubble makes the ideal shelter from which to enjoy your garden. Perfect for a sunny breakfast or a candlelit dinner. A warm spot for the children's paddling pool. Or simply somewhere for a Sunday snooze. You choose. Sunbubble is so easy to transport that it also makes for a fantastic portable sunroom when camping, or even a great social space at a festival. Sunbubble is so much more than a greenhouse, so why not grow crazy or just grow lazy with your very own Haxnix Sunbubble?